How to set up YouTube Kids app. What is up everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set up your YouTube Kids app. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is download YouTube Kids from Google Play Store or App Store and then open it up. And once you open up YouTube Kids, all you have to do is simply head over to your profile section. So here you're gonna have to get a parent to unlock the app. So if you are the parent and you want to create the account for your kid, then you just have to tap on it and then you're gonna have to sign in with a parent's account. Now tap on next and select your account. So this is the Gmail I'm gonna be continuing with, or if you have multiple Gmails, you could just tap on the drop down to select a new one. I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in with this one. And here are some of the parent feature tool. So you can set a timer. Curious about what your child watch, you can go and watch your stuff and watch it again. So all of these good stuff. Now tap on next again, and here you're gonna have to create a new profile. I already have an existing profile, but if you want to create a new one, you're gonna have to enter your password first and then create a new account for your kid. And if you don't want that, you could just continue with your existing account. Now just tap on the profile that you have just created and your YouTube Kids app will now be opened. So that's it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.